Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to disable direct messages on Discord. So for this newly or latest updated Discord, this is the process. So you just need to go to user settings right here. Once you're there, you need to click on privacy and safety under the profiles option. Click on that and just scroll down till you see the server privacy defaults. So make sure that this is turned off so that direct messages from server members so that you can disable it. So turn that off. So they want to also apply this change to all our existing servers. You can also disable direct messages on individual servers by visiting that server settings page. So just click on yes. As you can see, it is now disabled. You could also go with this one. You could pick options here like direct messages will not be filtered for spam, or direct messages from non-friends will be filtered for spam, and all direct messages will be filtered for spam. So it's up to you if you want to pick any options from these two. For me, I use this one, the filter direct messages from non-friends. And that's it, guys. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because I have searched more people. See you on the next one.